Francis, how are you doing? What are you working on?
A group project.
A group project.
Dollar system.
What does your group project do? What's the system you're making?
It's a dollar system.
Uh-huh.
So actually what it's supposed to do is
Go ahead.
to enter 3 passwords as you enter the door.
So this is the keypad to enter the password.
Yeah.
Basically, it's a 16 keypad.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many digits in the password usually?
Yeah, you should enter 3 digits.
Okay.
And if they're correct, the door will open.
Door will open. Okay.
So
So how many chances, for the example, for a user, how many chances can enter for wrong password? Let's say.
you have only 3 chances to enter.
Okay. What happened after 3 chances?
Yeah, the door will remain closed. So
I mean, unlocked. It's locked.
to remain closed.
Okay. So how the person knows that it remained locked?
Because it will ring an alarm.
Okay. So well, can you show us the alarm?
Yeah, this tiny bit here.
That's the
buzzer.
the cylinder, like the black one, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's this one? There's that one, yeah.
This is the unlocking system. So this is the one which will unlock the door. It's
Okay.
really.
Okay. So can you explain the other components of your system?
Yeah, this is the keyboard, keypad. This is decoder, key decoder.
Okay.
And actually,
yeah, what's that do? What's the external bit, output bit, isn't it?
output. Sorry?
External output bit, isn't it? Oh, don't worry, I will edit it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And we go the microprocessor here.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and this is the connection to our PC.
To the PC.
Yeah.
So actually you program through the PC and it stores to the x86
Yeah.
So what happens if you power off?
So the PC will just be used to download the program
Okay.
to the microprocessor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which program are you using
I'm using
to create the program?
low level.
Low
It's
level.
Assembly language.
Assembly language is okay. That's very low level. I mean 1960 something.
Yeah, it's many decades ago. It's the first language.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then maybe
For
your father
electronics.
was working with that
No.
one. The same. Okay. Can you show us the program just real quick?
Where is it?
It's our presentation like this. I'm recording video presentation.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. No, not that one. That's just a program. Just a program.
Where?
The mini ID program, I think.
Who's presenting him or you? Who's presenting?
No, we don't present. We just record this one and play it.
If you're presenting, so you should record. If he is presenting, then
No,
you
everybody
record
is
and
recording.
explain.
No, we just record and play it.
You've post.
Eh?
You've post.
Oh yeah, that one I'm talking about. Okay, this is a program.
Oh, okay.
This is a program, I think. Mini ID program. Okay, so you can see the mask and unlock and all the things. Okay, what this device? This 2 capacitors. This I can see 2 capacitors. Which
This is You have the data sheet?
No, it's alright. That's fine. That capacity is masking the bits actually. It's masking the bits. It's masking the bits. This one used for the masking the pin 6. And yeah, we discuss it later. We will do it. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. This is the data enable.
Data enable.
Yeah. So